Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Plainville local and long-distance movers near me. A relocation that is more than 50 miles is a long-distance relocation. At 3 Movers, we handle long-distance relocation with ease. When it comes to your belongings, our movers are incredibly cautious. They gently put them into the trucks. Every piece of moving equipment we use, including our trucks, is of the finest quality. They are suitable for long-distance travel, are well-balanced, and have enough space. When you trust us with your long-distance relocation, you can rest assured that your possessions will arrive on time and in one piece. Local moves also need thorough planning. It is cheaper to move your belongings over a short period than to move them over a long distance. Our local moving services are between $30 and $40 per hour, which is the most affordable you'll find in Plainville and surrounding towns. We are available and ready to answer any queries or inquiries from our clients at any time. We accompany our clients throughout the whole relocation process. Locals in Plainville strongly recommend us since we provide only the best services at reasonable prices. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Plainville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.